Now in the last few days, we've received snow, we've received sleet, we've received rain. Everything is saturated. Wood on the ground is extremely wet. That means that one of my biggest concerns is going to be a reliable way to create an effective fire. I'm going to use my carry-in knowledge, the knowledge that I go into this situation with. I'm going to use my environment, and then I'm going to use my survival kit to affect a fire regardless of how wet the ground is, how saturated it is. Now, as you'll see in the woods, and this is just unmaintained woods, you'll always be able to find things like this. This is exactly what I'm looking for to start that fire. It's bone dry because it's been hanging in the woods. So this is a very quick way to get dry firewood in a wet environment. That is bone dry. Now, a little tip for gathering firewood is gather as much as you think you need and then gather 2 times more. So 3 times as much as you think you need, you're going to be good. There's my fire. But with my carry-in knowledge of knowing that this is an evergreen, this is a pine tree, and we can see there are pine cones right over here, right next to the ground, this is going to burn fast and it's not going to make an ideal fire. This is the last missing part of our fire that we may have to supplement, and we may still. You'll see there's dry grasses. They also dry out quickly as long as they're standing up. A good rule of thumb that I was always taught by my mentor is I should be able to fill up my hat with my bird's nest. Big as my head, fire is dead. The first thing we got to worry about is our bird's nest, which we've got pretty well here. We want this to stay dry above all else. Now that I've got all this ready to go, the only thing I got to have is my ferro rod, my fat wood, and a little bit of patience. We're in business. And that takes me from needing fire to having fire directly off the landscape, using fat wood, and using our basic kit to get the job done.